In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for budgeting, specifically utilizing the 50-30-20 rule. This method is a straightforward yet effective approach to managing your finances by dividing your monthly income into three main categories. It helps ensure you're covering essential needs, enjoying some of your wants, and still contributing towards savings and debt repayment. So, let's dive in and see how you can set this up in Notion. First, let's talk about the 50-30-20 rule. In essence, this rule suggests you allocate 50% of your total income to needs. These are essentials such as rent, groceries, utilities, and insurance. Next, 30% of your income goes to wants. This could include entertainment, dining out, and hobbies. Basically anything that enhances your lifestyle but isn't absolutely necessary. Lastly, 20% of your income should be directed towards savings and debt repayment, which helps secure your financial future. Now, to effectively apply this rule, we'll begin by creating an income database in Notion. This will serve as your central hub for all things financial. Start by opening Notion and setting up a new page dedicated solely to budgeting. Title this page something like Monthly Budget to keep things clear and organized. Within this page, you will want to add a section for your income. Here you can create a simple table database to record all your income sources. The columns should include categories such as source, amount, frequency, and date received. Populate this with your actual income for the month, be it salary, any side gigs, or other revenue streams you might have. Once your income database is established, the next step is constructing a budget tracker. This will help you monitor how your income is distributed across the three categories of the 50-30-20 rule. Create a new table within the same page, labeling it as Budget Tracker. In this table, design several columns to capture the essential information: category, budgeted amount, actual spent, and remaining balance. Set rows for each category: needs, wants, and savings, debt repayment. Now allocate your income according to the 50-30-20 rule. Calculate 50% of your total income and enter this amount in the budgeted amount column for needs. Do the same for the wants category, allocating 30%, and for savings/debt repayment, allocating 20%. As you go through the month, update the actual spent column with your expenses for each category. This will give you real-time insight into whether you're staying within your budget limits. Remember, while it's important to adhere to the 50-30-20 rule, don't be too hard on yourself if there's some fluctuation. It's essential to adapt the rule to fit your personal financial situation. Budgeting is a skill that can take time to perfect, and using Notion makes it visually clear and easier to manage. So there you have it. With these steps, you now know how to harness the power of Notion to implement the 50-30-20 budgeting rule, helping you maintain control over your finances. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting!